Hello, Caroline over here at Premier Fitness, and today we're going to be doing a circuit workout. We have 10 exercises today, targeting almost every muscle group, and we do have some abs thrown in there. So for these exercises, most of them will be 10 repetitions each. For our plank that we'll be doing later, that'll only be 15 seconds. And then for another one of our ab exercises, I'll tell you what the reps are there. But this exercise, this routine is built to be done about 4 times total with a little rest in between. I'm going to do the first set with you, and then you can follow along and continue to do it. So we're going to first start with 10 kettlebell swings. You want to explode from your hips. Last one. Okay. Then we're going to do Bulgarian split squats. Excuse me. So I'll do it facing this way. You'll do 5 per leg. All right, 5 more. All right. Next, we're going to do 10 shoulder press. So up. Two more. All right. Now we're going to do deadlift, so I'm going to turn to the side. You're just going to go past your knees, back up, with a slight bend in your knees as you go down. Keep that back straight. Last one. Good. All right. So we're going to use this chair again. We're going to do tricep dips. So go all the way down. Good job. Good. All right. Again, when you're doing this, just make sure you have your water. You can grab a sip in between. All right. Next one we've done before, goblet squats. You're going to grab a little bit heavier of a weight. Get your legs about shoulder width distance. Hold it up here and just squat. Almost done. Last one. Okay. Now we're going to do our plank. So we're going to do this for 15 seconds. You want to make sure you have your butt down and your back is straight. Here we go. Ten seconds down, almost done. And drop. So if you want to have a little bit more of a challenge, we can do more than 15. But we're just starting, so we'll do that. And then last but not least, we're going to grab a weight and we're going to do Russian twist. So we're going to do 10 to each side, like this. All right, so that's the end of our first circuit. So again, I'm just doing this first one with you. So in between these circuits, you can take about 30 seconds to a minute of a break, grab some water, catch your breath, but these are meant to be done quickly in repetition. So again, you can do this 3 to 4 more times, up to you, but thank you for joining us today. Have a good one.